Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mandy here from Louie and Bougie. I hope you are just as excited as I am about this unboxing video. Literally cannot believe this happened. Still in shock, still super excited. I am just like, it's kind of surreal. Especially since the last video I filmed, I was like, girl, I would never buy a Dior handbag because the price increases are crazy. Well, we decided to go with Dior shoes today. So, if you guys are interested in seeing my unboxing of my new gorgeous Dior shoes, then stay tuned. This is my first ever Dior unboxing on this channel. Hopefully not the last, but we'll see. I just absolutely love the experience I had when I went shopping at the Boston Copley location. It was great. The store was like brand new, so beautiful, and the sales associate I worked with was lovely. So without further ado, let's hop right into this unboxing because I literally can't wait. Okay, first let's just start with the Dior packaging, which is, by the way, unreal. Definitely on par like with Chanel packaging. Can we talk about how cute this little like charm is that's hanging off the bag? And it literally says Dior right on it, and it's a little golden star. Like, that's the cutest thing ever. Also, this bag is just so stunning. It has the Dior logo, of course, in gold in the center, and then it's got gold accents throughout, and it's like a classic white with like a almost royal blue, almost navy color pattern throughout. And this is, I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, I might be wrong, I believe this pattern is called toile. It's a French pattern or design, so they have that all over this bag, and I'm loving it. It's giving me all the Parisian vibes, and I'm here for it. So I just can't with this packaging. Like, this is unreal. Like, look at this bag, look at the detail. The attention to detail on this is like insane. And then you have, of course, the little charm like I was mentioning. So this is my first ever Dior unboxing, like ever. You guys know I have the Dior moisturizer, but that's, you can buy that anywhere. You're not going to get, you know, all this crazy, amazing packaging when you buy moisturizer from them. But this is a Dior shoe purchase, and I can't even imagine what the packaging would look like if you were to buy a bag from them. It would probably be over the top. So, without further ado, let's dive in. I like feel so bad on doing this packaging. Also, can we talk about the Dior ribbon that it comes with too? It literally says Dior in gold with the white ribbon. Like, I can't. I'm literally saving all of the packaging and repurposing it, reusing it for something, making something look pretty. I don't know. I would literally wear this in my hair. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I would tie this in a bow and wear it in my hair, or, you know, tie it on a bag or something. Like, seriously, this is so darn cute, and it says Dior, and it's literally in this beautiful white ribbon with the gold writing. Like, can't get more classic than that. Also, the handles are literally white rope with like gold accents. I don't even know if you guys can really see on the camera or if it's truly doing it justice, but like, look at that detail on like just the handles of the bags themselves. Like, it's white, like a cream white with the golds, like accent details. It's unreal. Literally unreal. Okay, you guys ready? Because I know I'm ready. I bought these shoes a while ago, and I've basically been holding off to film this unboxing until, you know, my room was a little bit more squared away. You guys can probably tell a difference with the background. It's a lot more plain than it used to be. So, oh my gosh. Okay, we're doing this. We're doing it. OMG. This is unreal, guys. This is an authentic reaction because I've literally not seen this since I bought them. Oh my god. This is unreal. Oh, did I just get a Dior catalog? Shut the front door. Or should I say shut the front Dior? Oh my god, guys. Look at this. I don't think I've ever gotten something like this. The only time I got a catalog like this from a luxury designer was when I was buying my Chanel classic flap, and it was specific to the classic flap bag, like care instructions, the history behind the bag, that sort of thing. Look at the size of this beautiful catalog from Dior. Like, is this real life? Because I'm actually obsessed. I will definitely be reviewing this at a later date. Gorgeous. And then, of course, this gorgeous little envelope with the Dior classic gold writing. I'm assuming this has my receipt in here, so I can kind of keep my eye out for it. Yes, it does have my little receipt in here, so that's amazing. So we'll put that right back. Guys, when I show you this box, you're going to die. Like, it's literally so cute. Oh, this is like a big deal, guys. This is, whoa, major moment here. I've always wanted something from Dior, and the fact that I was able to get Dior shoes is just amazing. And sorry, I'm just getting a little piece of hair off myself because I just showered, and you girls know when you shower, sometimes you shed. It happens. But look at this unreal packaging. Wait a minute. There's another little star charm right here on the packaging. So not only is there a gorgeous Dior star charm on the front of the bag, but you get it on the box too. And then you also get this huge Dior ribbon. Like, it says Dior in like really, really big letters. And it's this gorgeous white ribbon with the gold Dior on it. I mean, I can't. And this box is so like elegant. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like you can see kind of the texturing a little bit on there. It's just so smooth and crisp. It just feels like so high quality, but also doesn't feel heavy either, considering there's a pair of shoes in here. Like, this does not feel super overly heavy or anything like that. So I know there are a lighter pair of shoes too, so that might also be part of it, but the material of this box is giving. It's just giving. Okay, I feel horrible in tying this, but we got to get to the goods somehow. I got to show you guys what I got. This is incredible. I am so glad I'm filming this right now so I can look back and reminisce on how gorgeous this packaging is, because it's literally everything. I'm going to save this too. I swear, I always save the luxury packaging. You guys know I'm all about that because, like, why not, honestly? Okay, we're ready. We got the box unribboned, or de-ribboned, so to speak. Oh my god. Guys, I'm dying right now. What the heck? This looks so good. So you get the little dust pouches, as you guys know from previous luxury shoe unboxings. They'll usually give you either 1 or 2 dust pouches to keep your shoes in when you're traveling and things. The fact that Dior decided to give me 2 makes me so happy, because I personally don't like the idea of the shoes touching each other, but honestly, I've done it with the Burberry shoes before, and it's fine because they're like those heels, so they're fine, but these are flats, so I love that each shoe has their own dust bag, and it's this nice like microfiber material, super soft and high quality, and then of course it says Dior in gold. So I have 2 of these, which is amazing because I will be traveling with these shoes in June when I go to the Bahamas. That was honestly kind of a big reason behind why I got these shoes, because I'm going to the Bahamas beginning of June. But, you know, also thought these would be perfect for the spring, summer season. So I am living for this moment right now. So there's the other dust bag. Oh my god, this little adorable envelope. I wonder if this is like care instructions or authenticity. Might be both. Let's see. It's kind of stuck in there. Ooh, she's really stuck in there. Oh my lord. This is hard to get out. Yep. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yep, so this is, okay. Yeah, it's just saying preserve the beauty and how to maintain the shoes. So it's just like a little care card that you get in this adorable little thing just to like remind you how to take care of the shoes. But trust me, girl, these shoes are going to be well taken care of. Even though I'm going to the Bahamas with them, I promise I will not be wearing them on the beach or anything crazy. But I'm literally living. Are we ready? Because I don't even think I'm ready yet to like do this. This is going to be so exciting. Okay, ready? I'm literally so excited. Even the tissue paper says Dior in like light white writing. Like, I'm so obsessed with these shoes, guys. Hello. Mandy in a shoe. I am so, when I say so, I am so obsessed with these shoes. I mean, I literally was joking and I'm like, oh, I could totally wear these today if I wanted to because it definitely matches my outfit. But I'm like, I'm not doing anything like fun or fancy today. I'm just going and running errands. But that's the beauty of these shoes. I feel like you can dress them up and you can dress them down because of the style and how they look. But oh my god, okay, I don't even want to take this thing out of here because I just want to maintain its shape. But look at these gorgeous shoes. Like, are we living or are we living? Because I'm living right now. And the other one's in there too, but I feel like I really only need to show you one, to be honest. It's just so pretty. I mean, there's really no difference between them. I'll just pull it out just so you guys can see this set together. Like, are we kidding? Like, look how gorgeous these are. I am so obsessed with these shoes. I think I'm even more obsessed like than I was in the store. Just like pulling them out of the box, it just feels so right. And I know that sounds so cheesy, but these are literally incredible shoes. So I'll tell you guys kind of my journey a little bit with these guys because I originally was going to get the all navy version of these slide sandals and I saw these and that changed the whole entire game for me. So I basically tried on both the navy and these, and I kept going back and forth and comparing them and being like, which one do I want? I was literally sitting there for like 30 minutes, like, okay, well, which one is going to make more sense with my wardrobe? Which one's going to look better? Which one am I going to get more wear on? What makes the most sense for what I'm looking for it for? And ultimately, I ended up going for these over the plain navy ones because I feel like this is more my vibe. This is way more like me, and it just fits my aesthetic, my style really well. I feel like this is better for like the spring and summer season. Like I feel like the navy ones you could probably wear into the fall if you really wanted to, but I honestly have so many like sandals that are like darker colored. So I was like, you know what? Like why don't I go for something a little bit more light, a little bit more vacation vibes. Like this is giving vacation vibes. And that's the main reason and purpose why I wanted to get these. And then of course for spring and summer season too. So I'm just absolutely obsessed. And again, if I mispronounce this, let me know. But I believe this also has the classic toile print on the shoe as well. So it literally is basically the same exact print that's on the bag. Like, it doesn't get more classic Dior than this. But also, fun fact, this was the last pair in the entire store, which tell me this is not fate because I swear it is. It is the last pair that was in the Boston location in this exact style and print, and it just happened to be my size. Now, if that's not fate or, you know, the universe kind of working its magic for me, I don't know what is, but these were literally the last pair and they just happened to be my size. I'm like, how is this even possible? Because my size, I got a 38, which is like one of the most popular like women's shoe sizes. So how the heck did I get so lucky to end up with these? I have no idea, but I am just so grateful. And I also love that it's white mixed with navy. I think like the contrast and the way that it looks is just so timeless, so classic, so elegant. But also you can wear this like casual, like I was saying. Like I could literally wear this with my outfit right now. I'm just wearing like a little quarter zip with like white and navy. You could literally just throw these on right now, but they're gonna look so good with jeans. They're gonna look amazing with like shorts and dresses and things like that too. So these sandals, I'm literally just so obsessed with. Like I actually can't. I can't. They're so pretty. Which is how you should feel, especially because, you know, they're not cheap. These sandals are definitely not cheap. They're $730 before tax, which I know is quite pricey, but still way more reasonable than their handbags, so I will take it. I love the embroidery and the stitching detail up here with the Christian Dior. I mean, it's just doesn't get more timeless than this. And I've always loved the look of these slide sandals. And I've always said, you know, these are gorgeous. If I could own a pair of these, why wouldn't I, you know? And I know the prices aren't getting any cheaper. So I said, you know what? I might as well take the plunge now. I know I'm going away on vacation and this is going to be the perfect like Bahama vibe. Like I could just see this in the Bahamas, but I could also see this when I go to the Cape over the summer and all the other summer fun, you know, spring trips. And I was even thinking I might wear it to a baby shower this weekend because it might look really good with the outfit I had planned. So you never know, you know what I mean? So it's just gorgeous, timeless, perfect. So literally no one else can get this print because apparently it was limited edition and this was the very last pair and it just so happened to be in my size. It was there the day I went and I am so glad I decided to go with this one versus the navy one because they will always have that one. But also, I feel like I have an all black Louis pair of slide sandals, and it's just very similar in terms of being like all dark in the vibe. Had it been like a little bit more white to give that contrast in like the top part, it was more of a beige color with the navy, which I didn't like. I was mainly going for a white and navy because that's more a spring summer vibe, and that was ultimately this shoe for me. But I am just so obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to take out the little thing just for the effect. Give you guys the full effect of these gorgeous shoes. But I literally can't wait to wear them. I know they're not going to be the type of shoe that you can just like walk for miles in by any means, but they did feel very comfortable when I tried them on. Obviously, I can give you guys my opinion in my review once I've worn them a bit more, but also stay tuned because I'll probably be posting outfits and pictures with these very soon. If you don't already follow me on my Instagram, it's at Louis and Bougie, spelled exactly the same way as this YouTube handle. So definitely check it out if you guys want to see outfits with me rocking these gorgeous shoes because I like already can't wait to wear them. I am so tempted to wear them today. It's not even funny. They are just so gorgeous. But yeah, I just love the elegance. I love everything about them. Again, I got a size 38. I'm usually a size 8 when it comes to like slide style sandals, so it's pretty true to size. I honestly think when it's like tighter to the foot, it's a little better so you don't run the risk of your feet slipping out or anything like that. But yeah, I just absolutely love these. So if you guys loved this unboxing as much as I did and loved seeing these gorgeous shoes and my first ever Dior unboxing, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you do want to see some more videos and content in the future, then be sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this. And I love you. Bye.